In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Football Manager 26 on your PC. So before we start, open your Google browser and I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we need to search up this game at Steam first and then we can continue to another website to download it. So the first step is to go quickly to the Steam website. It won't take too long and then we will search up the game Football Manager 26. Now select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €53.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is to search for the same game, Football Manager 26. Now what we will do next is select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first. And one thing which is very important is of course search for the PC version. Next to it, you need to check if it is able to be activated in your country, so this text needs to be marked green. Once you have found one, select it and then you will proceed to the web page. Now this is the game page and as you can see, we can already download this game for just €40.31 compared to the price on Steam of €53.99. So this does save you a lot of money while downloading games online. If you buy this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a completely new, legit Steam account to download this game on your PC through Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!